Hello, today I will show you how to enable Windows 11 installation on HP notebook. The most common problem is that TPM is disabled in the BIOS. To enter the BIOS, press the F10 key after turning on the device. In Security menu you can enable TPM. In Boot Options turn off Legacy Mode because it is for Windows 7 installation. Press F10 key to save BIOS settings. To start the installation of Windows 11, press the F9 key after turning on the device and select the USB stick on which the installation is located. If you don't have TPM in your BIOS, you can install Windows 11 using Rufus. The installation is working. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.